Hello friends and welcome to another episode of Desi Chale Canada. A very important element for most candidates looking to apply for a Canadian permanent residence is that they need to get their educational credential assessment done before they become eligible to apply for and thus receive their permanent residence. Because of the coronavirus situation, the process to get the educational credential assessment done, like numerous other processes, has also slowed down considerably. There have also been a lot of questions and concerns in candidates' minds regarding this process, particularly how has the process changed due to the coronavirus pandemic. In this video, we take a look at the details and try to answer some important questions. So I suggest that you watch this video till the end. Let me first tell you a little bit about the Educational Credential Assessment, or what is commonly known as the ECA process. Simply put, ECA is used to verify that a candidate's foreign degree, diploma, certificate, or any other educational credential is valid and equal to a Canadian one. Getting an ECA done for Canadian immigration is required for candidates who have obtained their educational credentials from any other country except Canada. In this way, the immigration authorities essentially give you an equivalent credential for your educational credential obtained in a foreign country. It also means that your foreign educational credential may be treated as different as per Canadian standards. For example, a master's degree obtained in India might only be considered as equivalent to a bachelor's degree as per Canadian standards. There are a lot of organizations where prospective candidates looking to immigrate to Canada can get their educational credential assessment done from. Some of the leading organizations which offer ECA services for Canadian immigration include the Comparative Education Service, International Credential Assessment Service of Canada, World Education Services, International Qualifications Assessment Service, and International Credential Evaluation Service. Out of all the previously mentioned organizations that provide educational credential assessment services, the World Education Services, or WES, is perhaps the most popular, and a majority of the applicants prefer to get their ECA done from WES. So, to get a sense of how the coronavirus pandemic has impacted ECA services, let us take a look at some of the recent updates to how the World Education Services has modified their working and what impact has the same had on candidates. A recent update shared on the WES website states that the organization continues to process digital credential evaluations and documents remotely. It is further stated that WES continues to actively review files to identify any documents that they need from candidates in order to process their application, and that a majority of WES staff continues to work from home while a small, dedicated team ensures that physical documents are handled securely. All this means that while WES services continue to operate, but the completion of some evaluation reports may be delayed due to global business disruptions, and that candidates should take into account additional processing times to complete their evaluations. Another important update is regarding electronic file transmission. The WES website states that they are working with institutions around the world to enable secure electronic transmission of files, and also that if candidates would like the institution from which they earned their credential to submit documents for evaluation to WES electronically, there is an option available on the WES website to do that. Once your institution sends the electronic document submission request, WES will then communicate with the institution to explore possibilities for digital document transmission. With respect to documents sent by physical mail and mail processing, the WES website states that they continue to receive mail at their Toronto office and that they are working to increase their capacity to process mail faster. It is also stated that candidates will receive an update on their My Account page once their file is processed. WES has also stated that at present, they are unable to mail physical evaluation reports. Candidates whose evaluations have been completed recently can access the unofficial copy of their evaluation reports on their My Account page and can also submit their unofficial copy to their institution. WES has stated that they have notified universities, institutional partners, licensing bodies, and immigration authorities that aren't currently set up to receive electronic evaluation reports about this change, and are encouraging them to accept this unofficial copy of candidates' reports as evidence of their accomplishments until official reports are available again. So friends, this was a quick update about how the coronavirus pandemic has impacted the educational credential assessment process and what impact would it have on Canadian immigration candidates. I shall create another video soon describing how the ECA process works and what are the various steps involved in this process. We hope that things would normalize soon and all the processes involved can resume work normally. If you liked this video, then please press the like and share buttons. For more information related to Canadian immigration and life in Canada, please subscribe to Desi Chale Canada's YouTube channel. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, stay tuned.